Hey there, it's Jason here from4XPipSnager and Forex UTurn. Today is March 30th, 2012, and we're going to take a quick look at the setups. Okay, so we'll just take the auto scroll off and we'll scroll back here. As you can see, even though we've had a new update, okay, we've had a new update from build 416 to 418 on MetaTrader 4, it still has not corrected this problem with the indicators. And it's not just this indicator, it's many other indicators as well that it's doing this. Anyway, as you can see in the Asia session, we had a nice little run up, nice buys off the trigger line all the way up, okay? And then here's where the UK session opened up. As you can see, it got real choppy in here. Made new highs, broke through all the resistance. You would have bought right here, never went anywhere, and then it came down. Yeah, they're just playing their little games. So anyway, that would have been a losing trade. Okay, let's take a look at the 1 minute and see what went on there. Okay, there's that choppiness. Look at that. Zoom, 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 zoom. See, all this crap. Anyway, your entry would have been here. Yeah, you had 10 pips to there, and you got your 10 pips out of this. You just no, you probably wouldn't have got it. There was no room for marginal error. You may have got 7 or 8 pips out of it. So hopefully you got a few pips out of it before you closed. Remember, you're scalping here. So when you scalp, you're not just going to say, oh, well, I'm going to get 10 pips. You're not always going to get 10 pips. You can get 4 pips, 6 pips, 7 pips. You know, you got to make the decision of when and where to close the trade if you don't get 10 pips. Like I told you in the manual, you need to, like the way I trade it is, I don't use no take profits. I don't use stops. So when I open up a trade, I automatically open up the window again after I've opened my long or short trade. I open up the window again of the order to close the trade. So when I see the pips, or if I see it stalling or doing whatever, I get out. I click the button, I get out with whatever I can get. Could be 4 pips, could be 6 pips. Sometimes it's more than 10 pips, but that's the way I trade it, okay? There was no trade on here. It was too far, too fast. As you can see, it moved like 35 pips in about 8 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9 minutes. It moved 34 pips. There's no trade there. Here's 1022. Didn't line up. Didn't line up here. So there was just the one trade, which was right there, okay, and it was good for 6 or 7 pips. Take a look at the pound. Yeah, pound's a mess too, just like the euro. Did its up and down chop bullshit. Oh, shouldn't say bull. BS, whatever. I shouldn't swear on here. That's not nice. Okay, anyway. The markets have been really, really crazy lately, really erratic, really not cooperative at all. I tell you, it's not good. You might want to use the swing trader in on the 30-minute. Maybe it's looking better these days than these charts because it's been real choppy lately. I don't know what's going on here, but real choppy stuff. So anyway, on the pound. Yeah, we had 29 pips there to the top. So you would have got short here. You would have got your 29 pips. You would have took profit right there. Your stop would have been down here. Okay? So there was one winning trade here. I would have not taken this trade because of this huge bar up. I would have not taken that trade. Okay? And that was your only trade. And it was a perfect no drawdown trade. Up it went. And then when it set up over here and broke through support right here, and this was your entry somewhere in here, the filter did not cooperate. So there was no selling involved here at all. Okay, so let's take a look at the Swiss. Oh, Swiss even looks worse than the euro, I think, today. But pretty much probably identical, yeah, identical in an opposite way. Just a little bit more sloppy. Okay, so anyway, the same thing. There was a sell here. You made a few pips. If you're lucky, if you got out, you didn't. Turn into a losing trade, just like the euro. Okay. If you sold here again, well, Same thing happened. And then again here, you may have made a few pips. Then she turned blue up here, but yeah, it was just a slop chop day. Okay, let's take a look at Forex UTurn. Okay, so we had a nice W here. Filter turned blue right on this candle. So if you got long, you got about 50, 60 pips here. And she did another U-turn and created an M. Okay, but the filter has not agreed with that yet. If you got short, you got short. And then the pound, it worked out even better. Okay, it created a flip-flop situation here. But right here, it got you blue, got you in. It was like 126 pips to the top today. Now it's gave an M formation to go short, but the filter still has not confirmed that. But if you're doing it in a high risk way, you'd be short right now at this price. And that's basically it for the setups for today. Today's Friday. It's the weekend. Go have some beers and some barbecue, and it'll all be good. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.